If you like Matplotlib so far, you will like this even more. Seaborn is a more powerful Python visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. It adds more functionalities and simplifies the process of creating attractive professional charts that is perfect for accounting and finance. So with this, let's go to our VS Code and I will briefly show you how to make Seaborn work. To install Seaborn, all we need to do is open the terminal and do pip install Seaborn. And I already have Seaborn installed on my machine, so I'm ready to use Seaborn. It may take you a minute to have it installed. Once you install Seaborn, you also need to import Matplotlib, which is the pyplot method, because Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib. To use Seaborn, normally Seaborn's short name, the alias is SAS. This is what the founders initially called Seaborn. So by convention, we just call it SAS. And to basically draw a bar plot, I just need to use the bar plot method. And then I can basically tell Seaborn the x-axis is basically department, y-axis is basically budget, and then I can pass directly my pandas data frames in. Here I made sure my data frame column name is basically matching what my x-axis and y-axis. So this is how it knows how to align my data. And to add a title, I'm still going to use the plot method, pyplot method from Matplotlib. And at the end, I'm still going to continue to use Matplotlib pyplot show method to show the graph. With this, let me run this code. And we just simply create a bar chart within this 12 lines of code. So I hope you like this. And in the next few sessions, we're going to learn more advanced functionalities of Seaborn. And you will find it much easier to use compared to Matplotlib. Hope you like this. Thank you very much.